I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pie Play-Doh. First, you'll need a pan and several ingredients. You'll need vegetable oil, vinegar, water, flour, salt, and some spices, the kind that would go into pumpkin pie. So I have cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. So first in my pan I'm going to combine my water. I have 3/4 a cup of water, one tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. And I'm going to turn those on to about a medium heat and let them start warming up. I'm going to get them warm, but not boiling. Next, I'm going to combine my dry ingredients. I have 1 cup of flour and a 1/4 cup of salt. Next, I'm going to add a teaspoon of my different seasonings. If you have pumpkin pie spice, you don't need to put in all these various spices. You can just use your pumpkin pie spice. And there's my dry ingredients mixed together. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients. You can see it gets kind of clumpy. And it starts to form a bit of a ball. Now I'm going to take it off of the stove. And I have some wax paper. I'm going to put it on the wax paper. And let it cool down a bit, and then I'm going to knead it some more. It's pretty hot, so you may have to wait a few minutes before you try to knead it. And after it cools down a little bit more, you can start to play with it.
When you're done playing with it, you can store it in Tupperware and put it into your refrigerator for next time.